If you're a weather geek, then you need to know this cool nugget. Is dew really a sign of no rain? So, what's the deal with dew and rain? Dew forms on clear, calm nights when the ground cools enough to make water vapor condense. This often hints at stable weather conditions. But here's the twist. Just because there's dew doesn't mean rain is out of the question. Weather patterns are complex and influenced by many factors like temperature and humidity. In short, dew is just one piece of the puzzle. It can tell us a little about the night before, but it's not a crystal ball for predicting rain. So next time you see dew, enjoy the fresh morning. But don't ditch your umbrella just yet. Hit that like button if you learned something new. And subscribe for more fun weather facts.